You find them in New York and Paris, in Beijing and Sydney. You'll find them in Portland, Little Rock, and Cheyenne, Wyoming. Every city, big or small, has restaurants and clubs catering to its people. They represent relaxation, fun, and the enjoyment of good food and good company. Even beyond the restaurants of these cities, there are numerous fast food chain restaurants, food courts, hotels, and convenience stores. No matter where you go, the restaurant is an essential part of the community. Restaurants and clubs around the world are an important part of culture. Of course, where there is hot food preparation, there is the potential for fire. Modern cooking requires deep fat fryers, ranges, broilers, woks, and grills. There is often hectic activity in the restaurant kitchen and always the risk for serious fires. Up until the mid-20th century, kitchen fires were not uncommon, and restaurants would burn to the ground before the flames could be contained and suppressed. Amazingly, this problem was not successfully addressed until 1962. It was then that Ansell, the most famous name in fire suppression, introduced a system specifically for commercial kitchens that would automatically detect and suppress a fire in the cooking area. This initial effort, called the Ansell R100, was a major success and raised restaurant safety to a new level. Restaurant owners and insurance companies alike welcomed the development of a reliable fire suppression system. But Ansell was not satisfied. They realized that as good as the R100 was, it could be even better and went back to the drawing board, designed several improvements, and quickly introduced the R101. That was followed by the R102 system we see today, a state-of-the-art wet chemical system that has become the industry standard for restaurant fire suppression around the world.
We've been using Ansell in 100% of our locations for the last 14 years. The reliability of the system, the service we receive from the local company that installs it for us, and the comfort level that our clients have grown accustomed to, knowing that if they need it, it's there for them to protect them.
With R102, there are two system design options. The primary is an appliance-specific design, where nozzles are aimed at specific hazard areas of the appliance. This is considered the most economical design because the agent is aimed only where it is needed. The other option is overlapping appliance protection. In this design scheme, the nozzles are installed in a straight line and provide overlapping discharge patterns. Using this layout, appliances can be moved or replaced, and as long as they stay within the fire-free zone, they will be protected.
Tomorrow there might be a new person running the restaurant, a different manager, a different shop that comes in and has a different idea. So we have to know that we can take our basic design and change it to fit their needs.
In the event of an actual fire, the fusible link detection system responds rapidly to the growing heat. When the temperature rating is exceeded, the fusible link separates, triggering the release of a compressed gas cylinder within the Ansell release mechanism. Simultaneously, the compressed gas pressurizes the Ansell-X agent tank and an air cylinder that trips the Ansell mechanical gas shutoff valve. The Ansell-X agent is then dispensed throughout the system, rapidly knocking down the flames. And because it has a neutral pH factor, Ansell-X is gentle on kitchen equipment as well. To help prevent fire reflash, the agent creates a foam blanket that inhibits the release of flammable vapors and cools the hazard area. To ensure the best possible protection for your kitchen, our distributors use the R102 Estimator. This revolutionary computer program from Ansell is used to design the R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System best suited for your application. Whether your kitchen has one hood or multiple hoods, the R102 Estimator uniformly designs the appropriate system, generating the drawings and bill of materials needed for installation. The R102 estimator assures Ansell distributors proper design and installation and keeps the fire suppression system up to date with the latest UL requirements. Giving your R102 system added protection is Ansell's K-Guard kitchen fire extinguisher. Meeting tough UL, ULC, NFPA, and other pertinent international standards, the K-Guard extinguisher uses Anselex, the same reliable extinguishing agent in your R102 system. To provide consistent reliability of the R102 system, Ansell products are installed and serviced by a network of factory-trained distributors the world over. In fact, it's the largest service network in the industry, assuring you quick, reliable service, whether you have a restaurant in Hong Kong or a local diner in New Jersey. Service availability is coupled with a 5-year limited warranty, which is longer than any restaurant system currently available. Is it any wonder that the R102 system is used in 90% of the top 200 global restaurant chains? The choice should be obvious. Choose the longest warranty you can find. Choose the largest available service network. And choose the most reliable and proven technology. Choose the Ansell R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System. The Ansell R102 Restaurant Fire Suppression System. Flexible fire protection designed for your changing needs.